Hello kids, today we will draw a cute girl. So let's start. We will only draw the girl with shapes. First draw the girl head. Draw a big circle in the paper. Well done, now divide the circle in 3 parts. Draw a line from center, like this. Now draw another line, from center to left side. Make the parts equal. Lastly, draw a line, from center to right side, and it's done. Good job, look, we divide the circle equally. Now draw the girl hair. Draw a small circle, on left side, like this. Draw the circle, lower the line. Well done, now draw the other side also. Now draw the girl neck. Draw 2 small lines, like this. Now draw the girl body. To make the body, draw a square shape. You can also draw different shape of body. Look how great it's looking. Now draw the girl's skirt. Draw a line on both sides. Draw it on angle and connect both lines. Well done, we draw the skirt. Now draw the girl hands. Draw a line, like this. Then draw a small circle, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other hand also. Draw the line, then make a small circle. Look, we complete the hand. Now let's draw the girl leg. To draw the leg, draw 4 lines. Draw 2 lines in a distance. Then draw another line close, like this. Make sure to draw all the same and equal length. Now connect the line. Now again draw line and make square box. Good job, look, we draw 3 square on both legs. Lastly, draw the girl cute face. Draw a half circle, then draw the eyelashes. Well done, now draw the other eye also. Draw the half circle, then draw the eyelashes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the girl cute and happy smile. Wait, I forgot to draw the side hair. Draw a line, like this, on both sides. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use brown color on girl hair. Color one part of the hair first. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done, now color the other side of the head also. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. You can also use different colors if you want. Now color the side hair also. Color slowly on small part. Lastly, color the girl twin tails. Use brown color and color the round shape. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Carefully color both sides, and look how beautiful it's looking. Now color the girl face. Use skin color and color the outline, like this. You can also use cream color if you don't have skin color. Color slowly, and don't color the eyes and mouth. Well done, now color the neck. Also color the girl hand. Lastly, color the leg, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Now color the girl dress. Use green color and color the square first. Well done, color the lower part also. You can also use different colors and make your own creativity. Well done, look how beautiful its dress is looking. Lastly, color the girl leg, like this. Color the box, and it's done. Good job, now use sky blue color and color the dress sleeves. Color carefully, and don't make any mistake. Lastly, color the girl shoes. Color only inside the box, and it's done. Let's decorate the dress. Use yellow color and make some dots. Draw some dot on lower part of the dress. Make some random dot, and it will look very cute. You can also use different colors and make it more cute. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how beautiful its dress is looking. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing shiny. First, draw a curved line on head. Good job, now draw a curved line on side hair, and it's done. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and beautiful the girl is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.